Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get the 9 camera split filter on TikTok. Really simple and easy to get. If you're unaware of what that filter looks like, it just looks like this, where it basically just splits your feed into 9 different cameras. It's actually really cool. So if you're looking to get this filter, just stay tuned. All you have to do is exit and go over to TikTok. Once you're on TikTok, you want to make sure you're on the Discover tab and go up to the top search and just search for 9 camera split. Now, the purpose of this is just to find someone using the filter and just click on the video. So if you don't see anything here, you click on videos and then you'll see a bunch of different videos here. All you want to do is click on one that is using it. So this one right here. Once you've done that, above the username, you'll see it says 9 camera split. You just want to click on that. And then just click on add to favorites, and now this will be added to your favorites whenever you go make a new video. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with getting this filter. If it was helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.